All right, I'm going to do two quick lessons for you, Algebra 1 students, to do during the week of NORAMs. I'll also be available in the afternoons during office hours. You'll be working directly from your book. There won't be worksheets. Your assignment for 6.4, solve compound inequalities, is on the note-taking and practice guide. Here's basically the minimum. You can always do more than that. If you're finding challenging with some of these others, do more of these fun. There are some, on the practice guide, there's some numbers in parentheses that are maybe a little more challenging, a little more abstract, so you're welcome to try those as well. So compound inequalities are inequalities that are joined by and or. So the first couple problems ask you to turn a verbal statement into an inequality and then graph it. So I've abbreviated, and you should do this on your sheet, your own sheet. Always find a way to state the problem. So less 6 and greater than 2. I mean, these are my numbers, all real numbers, and they are less than 6 and greater than 2. And essentially indicates a between. On whatever variable you want to use can go between the two numbers. Any illusions that occur between 2 and 6. So the numbers are less than 6 and greater than 2. The next greater equal to negative 7.5, less than or equal to negative 10. So that means x is less than or equal to negative 10 or equal to negative 7.5. Now I have a little more less than, but if you think about it, less than is going to go this way. Tends to the greater than statement to the right, and then there are no numbers that are less than and greater than negative 7.5. When we graph that, yes, because say here's 0. Here's 10's down here. So if I'm going to be less than or equal to, this would be fine with me too. It is a solid box. Or greater than. So there's or versus. Up here we have overlap. Here's somewhere 6. Up here somewhere, these would be open circle. So fairly fundamental. Solving a compound inequality. Solve it as it's given. What's the goal? To get y by itself. How many get y by itself? I have to add 8. 8 part of the inequality. This doesn't change. The only time I change is 5. Divided by negative 12 is 4, and negative 7 1. Sort of like the way they've written backwards. Y is greater than, so I don't know this way. It's greater than, certainly that's a between. Y is between. Here's one up here somewhere. Here, negative 4. This is an open circle. This is a closed. So, and plenty of solutions somewhere between negative 4. Have to be solved. Negative x is greater than 16. X greater than 11. Do add a little bit more about this. This is kind of a beyond outside of you're designing a ski boot, you're millimeter, you have to be thin. Might be 24.01, maybe 1 to that. As I normally do, I'm going to work with this side first. Greater than 22. And 1, 2 is less. So I'm going to write this way. X is less than negative 5. 2x is greater than or equal to 6 by 2, and x is greater than 3 is up here somewhere. And negative 22. But greater than or and then again, at least one verb with x minus 3 less than x. And that's between, think about that on a number line. Negative 1 is up there. 3. Need to add, and then add 3 to both sides. Then I have x. Guess